Hi, my name's Sue and this is Sue Marie P. I'm going to share an alternative to eating granola or breakfast cereal. I'm going to share my 3-ingredient chia seed puddings. Chia seeds are these tiny little black things that gel up and create like a pudding or gel-like substance, originally from South America. They're really high in lots of nutrients, protein, fibre, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc and manganese. So all I do is, I don't have any small jars, so I've got these tiny little glasses. So I just pop 4 teaspoons. So 2 teaspoons in each glass. And then today I've got soy milk in the house. So I'm just going to try and measure it for you. Normally I just do it by eye. So I like to go kind of to my line of my glass. So I've got 1/3 cup here. Yeah, so that's 1/3 cup of milk in each one. Last week I didn't have any milk in the house, but I had a little container or packet of coconut milk. So I used that and they were really delicious. And then if you want it a little bit sweet, my milk has no sweetener in it. Just a little drizzle of maple syrup, honey, agave nectar. Leave it out if you don't want it. So it's probably no more than 1/2 teaspoon. All I do is I mix it up with my teaspoon. I'm going to let it rest on my bench and then I'll give it another stir before we pop it in the fridge and chill it overnight, and then it'll be ready for breakfast. The 5 minutes is up, and as you can see, we've had some chia seeds settle to the bottom. So I'll give it, and it's starting to thicken up. You can get this like jelly substance. I might just swap to a fork. This will ensure that you have a consistent texture throughout. I'm going to chill these in the fridge overnight. You can cover them, but I usually just pop them in like this and then come back tomorrow. It'll be my time tomorrow, but you'll still continue watching and I'll show you how I serve them. I'm back with my chia seed puddings. And I checked them before I started filming about half an hour ago. And this one is quite loose. So depending on what kind of texture you like, kind of like a moussey pudding texture. And so I decided to show you how to make it thicker. So I put an extra teaspoon into this one. Now this is really gel-like and a bit more clumpy. So depending on how you like it, just add the amount of chia seeds to taste. So now this one has 3 teaspoons and it's really thick, like that. And this one is the runnier one, which is looser, with 2 teaspoons. Okay, now we've talked about texture. Let's decorate them and I'll show you how I serve them. So I had this at a cafe and I really liked the combination of a little bit of extra granola or a little bit of extra crunch. So I've got some homemade granola that I did last week. So I'm just going to pop a little layer on top. It's really nice. It's got pumpkin seeds and hazelnuts, and I've got a few homemade granola recipes on this site. So I'll pop some links up above. And then I bought some fresh berries yesterday, so just add a few berries. I often have frozen berries in the freezer, so if I don't have the fresh or if they're not in season, I use frozen berries. I love berries or banana. They're my kind of go-to fruits for breakfast. So there you go. They're my 3-ingredient chia puddings. Well, it's actually, now I'm serving it, it's actually a few more ingredients, but don't they look pretty? Such a great, light, healthy alternative to cereal. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a go. I'm going to go away and enjoy one off camera as a mid-morning snack. I had an early breakfast, but I'm getting a bit peckish before lunch. Yeah, so give it a go, and I'll pop a few other ideas up above. Like I said, the granolas that you can make at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.